Hi, this is Kathleen from My Happy Place, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little treat holder out of the 2 tags die. This is the 2 tags die from Stampin' Up, and it's also here in our catalog. This one right here. It makes 2 different size tags, and I'm going to use the bigger, fatter one to make this treat holder. It's really pretty easy. So what I'm going to do first is just take 2 pieces of cardstock and lay them over the bigger die. And then I build my sandwich with a cutting plate underneath and a cutting plate above. And just run that through my Big Shot. And then it comes out with 2 dies. 2 of these tags. And the tags have these score lines built into them. And it's meant so that you can tuck in the tag like this if you want to make a tag that opens up and then has the to from inside there. So it's really versatile. You can use it as a whole tag or fold it up or many other things. So for this project, we're going to just fold it at the crease line and overlap those 2 pieces. And I'm just going to take some of my snail adhesive and put adhesive on the bottom of one of those sides and put the 2 together. So you can see it's just taking shape really quickly. Then I'm going to take 2 pieces of our designer paper and I'm just going to put those as a decoration on each side. The width of the tag is 2 3/4, so I've cut these 2 3/4 by 2 inches. Okay, and then it needs some decoration, so I'm going to make this little owl. And I use the stamp set Owl Occasions. This is in the 2012 holiday catalog. So it's got a lot of little pieces you can use. I'm going to use the owl and the Santa hat. So I'm going to stamp the owl with Early Espresso ink onto Whisper White cardstock. And this is our new kind of really juicy ink. They're the firm foam pads. So it does take a little bit of time to dry on the white, but it just gives you such a nice image, it's worth it. And then also stamp a little Santa hat with our real red ink on some Whisper White as well. Then I'm going to take our 1 3/4 inch circle punch and punch out that owl. And again, it's still drying, so I have one here I've already done. And then the Santa hat I cut out and I popped up on one of the dimensionals, so I'm just going to stick the hat on top of him. And then I'm going to take the 2 3/8 inch circle scallop and punch out a scallop. This is with a Lucky Limeade cardstock. And then just adhere the circle to the circle scallop. And that, before I do anything else, I want to put my treat inside. So I've got 3 of the Hershey Nuggets that fit really nicely there. I'm just going to put some adhesive along the bottom and stack them side by side, 3 across. There's a lot of little treats that could fit in here. I'm sure the fun size candy bars or maybe a Reese's peanut butter cup would fit in there nicely. So I've got the little holes here that are already there, but I just want to make sure they're big enough, because my closure on this is going to be this sweater trim. This is the Cherry Cobbler sweater trim that's in that holiday catalog. So I've cut a length of it and I've got it folded in the middle. I'm just going to poke that through the hole and the other one as well. And then I'm going to take the 2 ends and tuck them inside the loop. And that'll keep it nicely closed. And all I have to do is pop up the circle scallop on top, or you could decorate this really any way you want. Take the backs of the dimensionals off and adhere it to the front. And that's how easy that is. I want to show you a few other projects that you can make with that 2 tags die. This is a regular tag made with it, just the full tag. Here is the skinny tag. couple different versions of that. I've also seen people do it the long way, and you can do your two from here and maybe do a decoration there. This other long tag also makes a great bookmark, and our petite pocket die, it fits just nicely in there as well. And here's another little treat holder. Just added a small score line and put some Andes mints in there. And this one can hold a gift card. Just put it in a little slit there, maybe attach a glue dot so it stays put, and then just a little pocket to put it in. So there you go. I'll put all these projects on my website. Again, that's myhappyplace.typepad.com. Thanks for watching.